Owam umthanda kwam kukum, ewe kaloku ubalulekile apha kum, ngoko ndithi mandihlale phantsi ndikubhalele. Dear Thandeka, there's something about you that's so mesmerizing. You are the definition of God took his sweet, sweet time when he created you. Your presence still amazes me. When it comes to you, your beauty none can compare. Just know that I am serious about you. When we met, my heart was already for you. Falling for you wasn't my choice, but to adore and love you is my choice. I light a candle when I pray for you. I pray to keep you safe. My worries literally vanish when I think of you. Your smile brings me joy, hoping that as I fall for you, you'd catch me. Uthando lwakho luyandiphilisa, inhliziyo yam iyakulangazelela, ndiyaziveza ndiyakuthanda, uthando lwakho lundanele. This I will say, you are everything I need in a woman and more. Your presence still makes me smile. Uthando lwakho luyandiphilisa, inhliziyo yam iyakulangazelela, ndiyaziveza ndiyakuthanda, uthando lwakho lundanele. Sometimes I find myself staring at you, thinking she's out of my league. Maybe that is why I'm so drawn to you, but I would love to give you the world. You only deserve the finer things in life. Okokubana bendinako, bendizawatsho kuwe la magama. If I could, I would say these words to your beautiful face. Yours, Nomvume Jansen.